Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2011 South Bay 925 CR for sale. This Tritoon comes in just over 25 feet long. We have a faux teak platform on the back, lots of space to get on and off at the dock. There is a ski tow bar and a 250 horsepower Yamaha VMAX. This boat only has 222 engine hours on it, so there's plenty of life left in this beautiful boat. We have a pop-up changing room in the back for privacy, and there's even a wash down located right back there too. So you just unscrew this cap and you pull out your wash down. You can spray off your feet, get clean, use this as a little shower station. Flip that switch and the water will start pumping out of that hose right there. Here in the middle, we have an L-shaped couch, lots of stainless steel cup holders, and this is a cockpit table that you can put in when you're ready for some snacks and stow away in the back. There's plenty of storage in this boat. This is a double wide helm seat. It's super comfortable. It's awesome for like a little love seat. You can put 2 people in it, or if you just need a little bit better accessibility, more room on the boat, this is an awesome upgrade on this boat that you don't usually see on a 2011. We have the Jensen stereo system here at the helm. There's another one off the transom so that you can change your tunes while you're swimming at the sandbar. We have a 30-pin iPod adapter for those of you who like to rock it old school. Otherwise, we do have the USB auxiliary receptacle as well. There is a sink here in the front so that you can wash down after you're done snacking. Tons and tons of beautiful seating here in the front. This boat has like a wraparound design. We have 2 front-facing loungers with the comfortable backrests. On the starboard side, you have a swing open backrest with your fire extinguisher conveniently mounted right there. And on the port side, we have storage and a tip-out trash bin. If you have a cooler or something stored here, you can also access the trash bin by opening up the backrest. And then you have your port door and your bow door, and this carpet in the front is all snap-in, so it's really easy to clean. If you decided that you wanted to do some fishing or something else on board, you could actually just take it out completely for the day and put it back. It's all cut to fit perfectly inside this boat here. We have red accent lighting. This is the Jensen subwoofer on board, so a really good sound system. And this boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa. We would love to take you and your family for a demo ride on the lake. Give us a call or stop in today on Highway 371 in Nisswa.